Alright everybody, I'm here on my fitness YouTube channel. If you like what you hear today, press subscribe, hit the like button. And a lot of people, they come into my kitchen and they're like, I can never work out. I don't have weights. I open up my freezer, I got a honey baked ham here. Now you got weights, no excuses.
Heard.
Here we go, you can do a little row. Oh yeah, Yeah. Now, when you finish with the set, you gotta make sure you put the glaze on. It's maple flavored, pecans, hickory smoked. It's delicious. That's all for today, folks. I call that the stripling warrior.